Alright, so product ads now have officially entered into a new era. Thanks to Google Veo 3, you can now create ads that look and sound super real.
Tag is available for my subscribers. Link below. 12 colors.
Like, I'm talking full product commercials with characters that talk naturally, hold the product in their hand,
Fast in these.
and speak in voices so realistic, you never guess they're made with AI. So now, with the help of Google Veo 3, you don't need a big team like camera crew or even actors. You can now have just an idea and Veo 3 will do the rest. It creates full scenes, realistic characters, and even the voices depending on the situation, you get me? And today, I'm gonna go ahead and review some ad samples that showcase exactly this tool can do. So yeah, shout out to Jared Liu for putting these together. The results are honestly next level. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and take a look at the product samples one by one. So yeah, first one, we've got a doctor reviewing a painkiller. You can see the doctor holding the box, just calmly explaining like what it does. The voice feels super real, like something straight out of a proper TV ad. Like, take a look at this.
Painkillers. They help a lot.
Okay, so next up, we've got a shoes ad. The character is just sitting there with some well-lit background holding the shoes in his hand. And again, the voice sounds so clean and professional. Like you can say it could be a real some brand promo, you guys, right?
Shoes. You go so fast in these.
All right, so now let's just go ahead and take a look at the third one, ladies' purse ad.
This bag is available for my subscribers. Link below.
Okay, so this one is super versatile. We've got a character holding a stylish lady's purse. The way she speaks, like very calm, elegant, with a classy vibe. Feels like, you know, those high-end fashion ads you see online everywhere on social media, right? Okay, so next one we have some makeup ad, and you guys can see here the character is showing off a makeup product. She's holding it up and just describing what it does. And yeah, in that you guys can see we have some kind of a deformation as the lipstick changes weirdly into some makeup product. And still now, till this date, AI could be a bit faulty as well. And yeah, just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see all of the remaining ads, which are
If you're
super
single
cool
and rich,
and super
join this
classy.
new
Like, take a
dating
look
app.
at this.
If you're new to climbing, join my class every Saturday morning.
New running club every Sunday morning with me, Bob.
Check out this new G-Max gaming mouse.
We have a special deal for haircuts today. Please donate to libraries. Keep them open.
Don't forget to subscribe to Gerard.
Please consider rescuing a dog today.
Have you ever considered cryptocurrency?
A brand new cinema experience is coming.
Come along to dance school every Thursday night.
So yeah, here you go, guys. This was a quick overview of how Google Veo 3 has revolutionized the product advertisement industry. And now in future, probably you'll be seeing some ads that you'll be thinking, all right, so these are some real characters. But in reality, those would be made with AI. So yeah, that time isn't that far, you guys. Yeah, there you have it, guys. That's it for today. And I'll see you in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.